here's the story. I've always wanted a desk, but then I can't afford my dream desk. So I'm gonna set up this one to be a little bit nicer than it is so that I can use it, because I give excuses all the time, not being able to work at home because I don't have a proper desk. But I do have a table, so I'm going to try to set it up to be a little bit nicer. Okay. Are you kidding me? I'm not great at this. I bought this flower, but you can tell it's already ruined. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like that. I won't be here all the time to just water it, so I just got like a fake plant, so don't come after me. And of course I got some light. Oh yeah, I got a candle. That's it. Okay.
So I'll be your reason. We won't talk again. Oh, so I'll be your reason. We won't talk again.
Look at us doing the electrician stuff. It smells like glue. There it goes. Oh, it goes here. Working.
I made you fall slow. I made you fall slow. Oh, so I'll be your reason.
So I don't know if the books should go that side or should be this side, and if they're like this side, should I put all of them? Like, should I do that method whereby you put them like these? Or should I just put them like these?
I'll be your reason. I'll be your reason.
I'm never gonna leave my globe out. Wherever I go, my globe comes with me. I gotta have some globe somewhere. The problem about this penning is that it's not safe. I usually say influencers having what is it? I feel like I'm too close to the camera. What I was saying is that I often see some influencers having like a laptop or some monitors, but then currently I don't have like a monitor I can put like behind me and just set it like nice. But then I can put a laptop, but then only if I'm filming. Otherwise, if I'm not filming, I don't need to put a laptop here. You know, it's funny that you're gonna watch the videos and then just think, oh, I saw her setting up this table. That's if you're gonna watch my videos. That's if I'm gonna make them. So the thing about the candle is that I don't know where to put it because then it's not safe. I just like the idea of a candle. Oh, I have to sit on a chair. I'm sitting on a table like it's a normal thing, while I have to sit on a chair, which means the chair is going to be like this side. Otherwise, I'm loving it. Aren't you loving it? What happens if I remove the ring light? I don't know how to use them. Oh. Ooh. I'm such a dumbass.
We won't talk again. Oh, so I'll be your reason. We won't talk again. I made you fall slow.